you know that the average audition success rate hovers around a mere 2%? Being an actor, what do we, if you're an actor, what do we do? This is crazy. But since I am an actor with really no backup plan, today we're diving into one of my craziest audition tapes, self-tapes, for a job that I never booked. We can figure out if you think I deserved a callback for it, if I got one, what happened, blah, 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 blah. We'll talk about the ins and outs of commercial auditions in general, right now, in the modern day, 2024. Because honestly, it used to be like way different. There's like really not too many in-person auditions now. Anyways, I'm Austin Zazier. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm an actor. If you are an actor, this hopefully might be helpful or like make you sleep better at night because other people feel the same pain that you do. Or if you're just like curious about it, yeah, we're gonna dive into some of the crazy ins and outs of just one small mere acting job that I never booked. All right, so the breakdown, this was honestly only a couple months ago. This is my Casting Network's profile, as you can see. Yeah, it's like one of the websites that your agents will use to submit you for stuff, but you can also make your own account if you're trying to work as an actor for the first time. That's what I used to do. So the role name was Jockey Number 1. The jockey is a mysterious character. His origins, past, and maybe even language are largely unknown. Although he has the classic small build of a jockey, it's actually unclear if he's ever ridden a horse. You know what? I'm 5'6.5" with good shoes on. Wardrobe, do your best to find something indicating you're a jockey. So for an audition tape, you'll normally get instructions or like a script that says what to do. In this, all it said besides the jockey character breakdown was, there is no scripted dialogue at this time. So act as though you are in an interview with a new owner. Show us how you mount and dismount a horse in your own signature way. Explain to us what sets you apart from other jockeys. Oh shit, it may contain confidential material, blah, 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 blah. Oh, they could subject to sue? Okay, maybe let's... I don't think that I signed anything for this, but you know what? This is something that you need to see. But also I created all these characters myself, so... And I didn't book it, so... And it's already been out, so... I hope I don't get sued.
Shall we discuss contracts?
Yeah, I went off the rails. This is probably the craziest self-tape I've ever done. Yeah, for a commercial audition, you normally like want to do 2 takes or something, and it's probably gonna be like a minute-long self-tape, right? This is almost 5 minutes. Okay, so let's watch it. I hate having to go back and look through all these tapes that I never booked. This is fun. Okay. Oof, that Morgan one was so cringe. Oh no. Where is this one? Oh, yikes, this one's not even on Vimeo. My bad, I found it. Ooh, what? Unable to load? What do you mean? Why? This is on my phone. Why? What? Is this because Apple owns Beats and this was a Beats commercial and they just know what I said and they know that, dude, have we been compromised? Imagine me in jail. Oh no, oh God. That would be, people would probably have a field day with me if I ever went to prison. It'd be like The Longest Yard, but not funny. No, it wouldn't. It would be, I don't know how it would be. I'd have to suck a lot of things.
Damn lit. Hey, new guy. You good with your mouth?
Excuse me?
You know, don't get this thing off. Oh.
Okay.
Come on, get over here.
I guess I have no choice.
Hurry up and just bite this thing.
Okay, one moment.
Come on, hurry up.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry up and just
You'll
bite
be coming.
this thing. I'm hungry, come on.
Just please be gentle with me. I've never done this before.
Then pull hard. Come on. What are you doing?
You said you needed my mouth and you wanted me to
Bro, what the?
to bite.
This isn't like some HBO show. I don't want you to suck my cock.
Oh, cool.
Come on. I'm gonna need you to come over here and bite this thing really hard, man. I'm so hungry and I gotta eat it. Oh. Holy shit, are you that crypto motherfucker?
Ooh, day in the life of Austin in jail. Oh no. Okay, I'll go faster. Yikes. Yeah, that's probably not it. I don't think Apple is that smart, hopefully. Not yet, but with this AI stuff, who freaking knows? I figured it out. Hi, I'm here for the jockey interviews. What makes me different from the other jockeys? Such a great question. You seriously haven't heard of the Prancy Dancy? I ride bulls. It's just, you know, one of my most famous riding techniques. What's with the two backgrounds? Oh my gosh, alright then. I guess I'll explain it to you. Oh yeah. I think I thought red was like a more captivating color. You should look it up, but it's quite simple really. A blend of ancient techniques and modern flair. You see, it's not about how you win, but the mystery you leave behind in the wind. Also, I'm pretty sure I've developed a new type of gallop. It's twice as fast, but only horses can see it. My resume, hey, stacked with many big league races. Not here, of course, but in Pontanilla. Lovely tracks there. I was quite a champion until the incident. Yeah, I don't have too much experience with clothes, but... Honestly, what the hell? I should have booked this. It's all about rhythm and flow. You know, the horse and I become one. We have a special relationship, a bond. Elevator. I remember Harley came out, because I was filming this at like 4 a.m. and was just like, bro, what the f*** are you doing? This is probably one of the most committed self-tapes I've ever... I communicate with the horses. Not in any language you speak, but through the soul of the naysayer. The silent speech between beast and man. It's a language spoken in the currency of trust and respect. No mere reins or whips. What shirt is this? Yes, when you ask what sets me apart, it is That's not a probably Harley's shirt. Of skill or training. My girlfriend. No. It's a question of belief. Do you believe in the magic of the race? Because I assure you, gentlemen, the race believes in the magic of me. It didn't make clothes for horses, and that's what makes our partnership so special. I probably should have put like little character titles to explain stuff better. Mm-hmm. And I don't mean menstrually, you sicko. Music's our secret. Get started right here, in the mood to just go, prance around for hours. And I follow in step. Yeah, having character names would have maybe been Will it be illegal for you to know that? I mean, you have to sign an NDA. Or also, if I was adding in like the questions that were being asked before, would be funny and make it make more sense. Honestly, it'd be nice to share if you're willing to. First up in our routine, we got the hover trot. It's all about calmness and steadiness. Good girl. Second up, we got the rhythm ride. But I think I had like, we just go. I really procrastinated on doing this, and then I just was like, I did so much, I'm done. Yeah, and then we got the slide glide. Pre-seasoning. Now come, be a naysayer with me. More of the weird gibberish whispers? I totally thought this was an interview for Jockey, the clothing brand. I'm so sorry. That explains why the pay was so high. Yeah, my bad, guys. So this guy was just, he thought it was for Jockey, the clothing brand. It was like a bit within a bit. Secrets in the silence. Yes, we only... What's his hands? It's like a little rat. Discuss contracts. I saw who you had here earlier. All those freaks and losers? You're comparing me to these people? That's who you think could have this job? Are you kidding me? This is... Feels like 1985 again. And I wasn't even alive then. The secrets in the silence. I'm the best there is. That was a repeated clip that I think I was so tired when I was editing that I just didn't know it was there. J'accused. What type of blood type are you? What? Honestly, this might be my favorite self-tape ever. It's so like I don't give a as to what you want because you're not telling me what you want. So since you're not telling me what you want, I'm gonna give you everything that you could possibly potentially want, and if you don't realize that,
you're a fucking idiot.
I just went off because I didn't book it. I did end up getting a callback for this. And how the callback went, okay, story time. As a very ADHD person, sometimes I am late to places. I'm never late to auditions ever because I feel like it's a very important part of being an actor that like shows how committed you are, a professional. I was an hour late to this audition. I woke up from like the craziest most intense like sleep of my life, and then was like, oh no, what do I do? Do I go? Do I not go? It's gonna probably be, I'm gonna get there, maybe no one's there, blah, 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 or they're on a lunch break or something. So then I go, I'm still so tired. Like I had coffee, I couldn't wake up for some reason. And then I got there and there's all these people like dressed in full jockey outfits. They were all like stand-up comedians and stuff. And I get in there into the audition room and they just say, all right, we want you to just like riff for 5 minutes straight, pretty much. So I was just making up the craziest stuff, pretending the jockey guy was doing lines. It was like I did like 7 characters in the self-tape. What do I even do just trying to be one jockey? I think I blacked out. It went well. I got a lot of laughs, I remember. Like I honestly came out of it being like, I should oversleep every audition. I feel so relaxed and like honestly crushed that. I probably would have freaked out way more, having been like, hey, I'm Austin Zazier. So in the self-tape I did like, yeah, I mean, if you guys saw, I did like 6 characters. Do you want me to do just one of them, or shall we just
be yourself, dude.
Just be myself as an actor. Okay, yeah, no, let's go. Giddy up, cowboy! So being very relaxed at auditions does help you. But anywho, I did not get the job. I did not even get an avail for this job, which I was a little frustrated with because I did think I crushed it even though I overslept. So maybe, I don't know what it was. I don't know who booked it. Honestly, let's look it up. Most bizarre commercial I've ever like heard of in my life. Turns out it's for some kind of Ricky Bobby, Will Ferrell-y like mockumentary type short film. This has to be it. Called The Legend of Rick Allen. Let's watch the part.
Look, man, I'm trying the best I can. The horse doesn't know where to go. It's like he has 4 left feet. Something's wrong with him. Horse is 32 years old, man. He's past his prime.
I have a lot of feelings about, I'm trying to lead with love and, light. So let's ask someone else what they think.
I thought that it seemed like the guy that they put in the commercial, he kind of being like scared and like nervous and stuff. But like what I heard from and thought from the Austin Zazier guy who also auditioned with the crazy tape. He was really giving no sense of action, really. So I think maybe that played an aspect into it. And also I hear that this other guy, he's always out on the streets, being a social butterfly in the Los Angeles, California. And like, I think it's just like, I have no comment. Did that help?
Yeah, no, not at all. But thank you for giving your perspective. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. If you aren't, thanks for watching. And if you want to see more of my reaction videos or behind the scenes stuff of like film and TV, they are right there, and I'll put them in the bio. And yeah, comment what you want me to do next. Hey, I hope you have the best 12 hours of your life in the next 12 hours of your life. Bye.